Do you struggle to get the body of your dreams because you just love snacks and sweets? So did I. I went from fat to fit, built the body of my dreams by figuring out a way to eat snacks and sweets and still meet my nutrition and fitness goals. I'm going to show you my top 5 snacks that I have eaten, transform my body, and keep my body lean and muscular. To be successful in any body transformation, you have to be able to create lifelong sustainable changes to your diet, and the key to sustainability is to actually consume and enjoy the foods you enjoy. I love snacks and sweets. I had to figure out a way find snacks and sweets I was able to enjoy that were low in calorie, high in volume, and high in protein so that they can satiate me, so they can kill my hunger, and help me maintain a caloric deficit. The snacks I'm going to cover with you today, you can buy them at the store, buy them on Amazon, buy them online, get them shipped to your house, and keep them handy so that you can have something to munch on whenever you need that's going to help you build the body of your dreams. Snack number 1, my top snack, my lowest calorie snack, my highest volume snack, low calorie popcorn bags. Orville Redenbacher, or even Pop Secret. I love sweets, so I get the Kettle Corn. It's sweet, it's crunchy, it's going to keep you satisfied because it has a high amount of fiber. I eat this because it helps me feel full, and it satiates my sweet tooth because it's Kettle Corn flavor. You can get any flavor you want. You can get those popcorn powders that you can sprinkle on top. You can take them with you on the go when you go to work, keep them in your bag and your suitcase, pop them in the microwave. If you're feeling a little bit hungry, just munch on those. Second snack I like to keep with me at all times, brownies. I love brownies, but you know, most brownies are high in sugar, high in fat. They create a sugar crash, which causes you to want more, and they don't help you. But I did find a brownie that does. Fiber One brownies. The Fiber One brownies are small, snack-sized brownies, but they're only 70 calories, and they're full of fiber. Now we're gonna dive into the sweet frozen treats before they melt. A little kick of sugar and a kick of protein. Yasso frozen yogurt treats. This is a birthday cake flavor, and it's only 90 calories for the entire popsicle. Sea salt caramel crunch, or I also recommend peanut butter crunch, a flavor for everybody. We got caramel, chocolate, vanilla, cookie dough, mint chip, fudge. The birthday cake flavor, 90 calories, 5 grams of protein. This isn't called a protein snack, but it's a traditional dessert with a high amount of protein. Compare that to ice cream, this is gonna be more than double the amount of protein. I'll show you just how delicious and filling these are. Look at that creamy goodness. I love how traditional they make them. It's like they're made at home because it is a small business, so support your small businesses. This entire popsicle, only 90 calories. Less calories than a bowl of popcorn. This is going to satisfy my sweet tooth, frozen treat craving, give me a little kick of sugar. This is a great pre-workout, even a great post-workout snack. Let's move on to the next frozen treat. My go-to ice cream, Halo Top. This is a Halo Top Vanilla, 290 calories. A traditional Ben & Jerry's ice cream pint is in the 1,200 to 1,500 calorie range. A traditional Talenti pint is in the 800 to 900 calorie range. This is a third of the calories. Same amount of protein, lower in sugar, way lower in fat. Peanut butter cup flavor, delicious. This whole pint, 330 calories. And they just came out with their new creamier recipe. Creamy straight from the freezer. My last treat, but not my last secret. Anything and all legendary. Legendary protein snacks. Legendary became really popular because they created a Pop-Tart that is full of protein. So if you love Pop-Tarts and you want something different other than a protein bar, Legendary Tasty Pastries. This is a cookies and cream flavor, 20 grams of protein, less than 5 grams of carbs. So this is keto friendly. It's a traditional Pop-Tart serving size. It's 2 thin pastries. Each pastry is 200 calories with just a few grams of protein, 1 to 2. So a serving size of Pop-Tarts is 400 calories. This entire protein pastry is only 170 calories, less than 1 Pop-Tart, and 20 grams of protein. It's higher than a 10% protein to calorie ratio. Look how thick this is, okay? Look at that. Traditional, same size as a Pop-Tart, but double the width. Oh my gosh. So delicious. You could keep it in your car, keep it in your bag, keep it in the car. On a hot summer day, you don't even have to warm it up. If you warm it up 5-10 seconds, it'll be out of this world. The other legendary treat, which is amazing, are their new sweet rolls. So we got the wild berry, chocolate, cinnamon. All these pastries are only 220 calories and 20 grams of protein. Again, keep them in the car, keep them in your bag. just keep them available. The key to sustainable weight loss is making sure you don't get hungry. You have to eat. You have to eat foods that help you meet your goals. And if you want to stay lean, you want to retain muscle, keep the calories down and pump up the protein. I have a bonus for you today. I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy chocolate spread. You're going to be fascinated how easy this is. All you need, cocoa powder. Just plain cocoa powder. Unsweetened baking cocoa powder. Look at that. One serving of cocoa powder, 15 calories. 15 calories and 1 gram of protein. Oh my gosh. Put a little serving in a glass. Then, my other go-to, gotta have this in the house. I have a whole cabinet full of these. Any type of sugar-free syrup. There's just no need to consume so much sugar and so much calories. One serving of this is only 10 calories, where traditional syrup, 100 to 150 calories. But what you're gonna do, pour it in there to taste. Just 1 serving, maybe 2. Now, we have chocolatey syrup. Take a couple packets of Splenda. I have 3 right here. Pour it in. You're gonna take a fork and mix it. Mix it real well. If you love Nutella, you love chocolate spread, well, there you go. Low calorie, sugar-free chocolate spread in less than a minute. When people see me, they see my body, they're astonished that I'm posting pictures eating chocolates, sweets, desserts, brownies, ice cream sundaes. I just know how to be smart about my ingredients by choosing and shopping with smarter ingredients, smarter food choices, smarter brands, and just be mindful of the numbers. Because in the end, food is just packaging. It's not the outside that matters, it's what's in it, the macros, the calorie content. That's what makes food that helps you meet your goals or sabotages your goals. If you want to know all the steps I took to transform my body from fat to fit in less than a year, I posted a video right here that you can check out. I go through the entire journey I went through. If you want one-on-one coaching, check out nuthletics.com, sign up for my free newsletter, and I'm even giving away 3 free recipes, quick 1-minute protein dessert recipes. Check it out, see you there, go get it.